But I like to analyze these two words, efficient and effective. They are not the same. Being effective is doing the right things. So not doing what is not relevant, what it doesn't matter. So being effective is doing the right things. Being efficient is doing those things right. You start selecting what you're good at, what you like. You focus and work to be effective by eliminating what is not relevant, and then you put hard work to be efficient and do those things very well. And then you become productive. Otherwise, your day will be a sum of time wasters and you will never be productive.